Balls in play. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 45 seconds more to go for the first half. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Sumaksak. Pinasa kay number 17. Ayaw pumasok. Number 28, Arana. Nagmamadali. Sumaksak sa ilalim. Ayaw pa rin. Whistle. Number 28, foul. Score is 18. Ganun pa rin. Number 22, Pumera. Yes! 2 points. Score is 10.
Nasali sa head injury protocol. May protocol dito na may head injury. Ayaw na kayo paluruin. Baka may mga blood ba?
Number 22.
Wala ka na. Out ka na. Kasi may protocol. Oo. Maging liable ka yung advantage dyan.
Number 8. Dribbling the ball from the outside. Pass to number 12. Dinalik kay number 8. Pumera! No! Nothing but net!
Okay ako. Kasama ang dawa. Sinuli ko na okay na. Hindi na siya, wala na nililit kahit magulo. Asa mo ko? Kahit ikaw lang, sila, okay ka man. Wala na natuman. Kahit Bakit taktil stimulus pa? Paano ka ako kanina? Walay. Sunod pa. Ano ito na dito sa tawa? Oo. Para dito. Baka ba na yan? Matikir dito. Mag-isang assistant. Kahulatan mo ng buwak oras po. Ito mo yun. Kahulatan mo ka 2 hours ko na naman. Baga, ito. Ulo ka kanina, mga limpis ko. Dito ata. Wala lang, nurot ko.
Sixteen seconds. Nine. 7.
Lalaro pa rin. Lagi hangin.
3, 2, 1. Time! Score is 10-16 in favor of MSB. Next game prepare for 2. Nashville versus Georgia. Next game prepare for 2. Nashville versus Georgia. Court 1. Nashville versus MSB. Court 1. Next game, Nashville versus MSB. Court 2, Nashville versus Georgia.
Sa gitna kasi maraming kamay ang dadaanan. Kasi apat na naka-zone sila. Dadaan na kamay. Talagang kung dito yung in-inbound nyo, nag-zone sila, dapat ako nag-coach sa inyo eh.
Huwag mo nawakan yung mikropono. Madaya din daw. Kita tayo.
Eh, tataranta, hindi marunong ano, taranta sila eh. Kaya mga volunteer, mga volunteer, mabago-bago yung rules. October na lang ulit. Kita ba? Hindi nila tinanggap yung ano namin, yung line-up namin. Nabuo man yan. Hindi siya ngalanganin siya kay opening sa yahan. Pupunin tayo mga printing prep.
Time in for the second half.
Huwag niyo nakikita.
Number 28. Arana. Binigay kay number 12. From the 3-point line, binigay kay number 28. Nagmamadali si Manay Ho, number 15, sumaksak! 2.
Kasi napipilitan ni Ipada. Tsaka pinabayaan niyo sa na yun.
The
Tsaka yung
number
rebound, yun naman si Simon, mga rebound na yun.
dribbling the ball. Controlling the ball. Pass to number 2 again. Number 12 guarded by number 1. There's a reason. Line violation. 1-9. Memphis. MSB. Number 1, Francis. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 50. Back to number 21. Benedict and Francis. From the 3-point line to Gonzalez. Number 16 from the 3-point line. Ido. Number 23, Nico. Ay, pumasok sa kuha ni Ido. Binalik kay number 15. Number 15, Maya Ron. Binalik kay number 1, Francis. 23, James 10 in favor of Memphis. Sandy Group. Gonzalez. Ayaw pumasok. Number 14. Controlling the ball. Pass to Nico. Nico to number 12. Number 12 to number 28. Arana penetrates. 2. Score is 23-12 in favor of Memphis. Sunday basketball. 2 points by Drew Gonzalez. Number 28, Arana. Again, pinasa kay Nico. Ayaw pumasok. Ido, galit. Nagmamadali ngayon si Francis. Francis Villanueva. Sumaksak! Ayaw pumasok. Number 14. Pass to him. Pinasa kay Arana. Arana. Ngayon, Domingo. Ang galing po ng pinaka number 28. Ikot-ikot lang. Francis. Pass to number 16. Either from the 3-point line. No basket. Arana has it. There's a whistle. Number 1. Number 16. Ido. Foul. Remaining time, 11:21. Arana, number 28. Taking the ball. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, Stevens. Sa gitna. Sumaksak. Ayaw pumasok. Nakuha ni Nico. Tumira si Nico. Wala kayong magawa kay Nico. 2 points. Number 1, Francis. Then to number 15, Ihon. Ayaw pumasok. Number 14. Number 14 of basketballers. Pass to number 44. Then back to Bruno. 2. Score is 25-18. Palapit na ng palapit. Remaining time is 10 minutes and 22 seconds. Portugal Gonzalez. Lumapit. Tumira. Ayaw pumasok. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Time out, Mr. Referee. Time out. Time out called for Nashville Ballers. Remaining time 9 minutes and 50 seconds more to go for the last half. Mark. Referee Calma. Referee Calma. Next game prepared. Nashville versus Georgia. Court 2. Nashville, Georgia. Court 2. Flores from the outside. Pinasa kay number 1. Gumagawan. Nakuha ni Ihon. Nico has the ball. Pass to number 44. Napakalakas. Naman baby. Number 7. Tumakit. Pinasa kay Francis. Francis, nag-iingat. Dumping! 2 points. Score is 27-18 in favor of Memphis. There's a whistle, traveling violation number 24. Tumangkil. Sa labas na naman. Pinasa kay number 1, Francis. Si Francis, pinanik kay Eric. Tutumangkin. Oh, libre-libre si Kuya. Number 14. Number 22, Eric Dumping. Torre ng Memphis Central. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just in case you find a t-shirt with Memphis Warriors t-shirt black color, please give it to the officiating table. Kung may makita kayong Memphis Warriors t-shirt, itim. Warriors na itim, pakibigay sa officiating table. Kung naamoy makita na itong t-shirt na Warriors, ihatag sa lamesa. Dampil! Dimasana sa labas, number 65. Binigay kay Arana, then to number 14, Buno. Buno, sumaksak sa ilalim. Hindi niya na kayang depensa. Binalik kay number 55. Go! Hindi nakuha ni Nico. Mar Aihon, number 15, controlling the ball. Remaining time is 5 minutes and 50 seconds more to go. Score is 29-20 in favor of Memphis. Number 14, nako, napalunggan si Flores. Flores, binigay kay Francis. Francis Dominguez, pinalik kay James, on the 3 points line. Muntik na sana, nakuha ni number 15. Kasi Francis, nakuha ni Francis number 1. Ngayon, sumaksak kay Eric, sa ilalim, may tawag sa referee. Kawa! Foul pala yun. Number 63. 69, di ko nakita yung isang kamay. David. Dampil. May award si Dampil. Unang. Ay! Pangalawa. Ayusin mo yan, Eric. Ganyan ka lang yung asawa ko. I-shoot mo yan, ha? Neko! Nashville's ball. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 28. Sumaksak sa ilalim. Umar. Ayaw pumasok. Nakuha naman niya. There's a foul. Number 7. Tumamkil, number 7. Got a foul. Number 28. The Nashville Rovers from the outside. Pinasa kay number 14. Buno. Sumaksak. Pinasa kay 28. Ayaw. May sumampal sa bola. Timeout call by Memphis Sunday Basketball. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 29-22 in favor of Memphis. Next game, prepare. Nashville versus Georgia. 35 Junior Division. Time in. Number 8. Pinasa kay Flores to Eric to Drew. May tawag. Number 12. Foul. One point, number 24, Gonzalez. Jefferson. still for the last ball. Whoa. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Number 14. Nico! May tawag ang mga referee. Number 2. 24. Number 24. Foul. Who's that number 24? Gonzalez Drew. Number 23. Nico awarded 2 free throws. Pasok po nito. Meron pa isa din. Pasok na. Ayaw pasok. Nakuha ni Simon! Number 22. Pinalim kay Chani. Chani nagmamadali. May tawag sa referee. Kalma! Foul! 20. Okay. Congratulations. Number 44 A. One minute and 55 seconds. Nico, nakuha ang bola. Binigay kay number 14. Sa ilalim. There's a whistle. Foul. Number 22. Number 22. Who's the number 22? Remaining time is 1 minute and 43 seconds more to go for the last half. Next game prepared. Nestor versus Georgia. Unang team na libulo. Nako! Jumpers gets ready. Napapasok ka ng number 14. Hindi pwede bigyan ng number 14. Hold up, hold up. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. One minute and 39 seconds more to go. Nestor versus Georgia. Prepare for the next game. Flores nakuha ang bola. Drew! Ayaw pumasok. Number 14, Bono. Mamadali si Bono ngayon. Para 3-point line. Tumira! Ayaw pumasok. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12, pinalig ang number 44 for the 3-point line. Ayaw pa rin number 12. Buti na lang nakuha nila. Mamadali ngayon si Chadi. Francis. Jude. 50 seconds more to go. Francis, sa ilalim. Nico, ilabas ang bola. Binigay kay number 44. Remaining time, 27 seconds. Simon to number 44, 3 points. Tumira, ayaw pumasok. Ako, may pangawak ako. 11 seconds more to go. Simon from the outside. Ako, Wagi! Eric, binigay kay Chani. Chani, number 8. Nakahanap ng kasama. Pinalik kay King. Si King, sa 3 points time. Nagdadalawang isip kung Tumira. May foul. Sino may tawag? It's time, guys. Yeah, it's time. Okay, ball game. Score is 23-35. Tinatawagan po natin si Kuyang Harold Saiko. Tinatawagan po natin si Kuyang Harold Saiko.
Napulo nilang foul. Wala pa penalty nga po. Warning na yun. Penalty na to. Siyempre, kuha ka dawat. Yung system niya. Hindi yan, may foul. Sila yung dito susunod sa poste.
Before we're going to start the next game,
Ano sila sa poste?
we have a very important announcement. We're going to observe a moment of silence for our departed kababayan. May I have your attention, please? Let us observe a moment of silence for our departed kababayan, Joe Viloria.
Okay.
We would like to acknowledge his wife, Rebecca, and his sister, Miriam.
It's a table timeout. Table timeout.
first moment of silence for our departed kababayan, Joe Viloria. Thank you for his wife Rebecca and for his sister Miriam and for the family. Amen.
Game is you. Thank you, guys.
Ayun pala, meron pa dito. Birthday Friday sa power bank na lang.
Nagreklamo ba siya? Nanalo naman tayo.
Go team. First practice. Alright, let's go! Nashville versus Georgia.
There are already booths that are open for food.
Let's okay, 5
free throw, 5 fouls, okay, awarded for shootout. Yun naman talaga. Here the house, kailangan mo mag-10 fouls. Total po, entire game, para makakomitin ka lang, awarded ka ng 2 fouls. Ayun, yun ang clarify ko. Pero, oo, sa'yo,
Alright, let's go.
mali daw yung mga bagay ko dito. Clarify ko ba kung yung start ko dito. Ayun yung nakumakit na sa'yo. Ito no?
Sabi! Sabi! Sabi!
Alright, Nashville versus Georgia. Another exciting game.
Per cup to more than 6-7 years out. Wala pa akong estimate dito na ilang fouls dito.
Alright. Young ball between Obi and number 10, Georgia. Must win game for both teams.
Tapos, ano ba yung
Alright. Second by Georgia. Number 28, basketball to hit three. Number 29. 29. 3 points. 24. Georgia ball. Ready, drive. No good. Rebound by 24.
we're wrong.
Nashville, drive. Yeah, no good. Number 23. To the left turn. Driving. Shooting, no good. 29 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 14, running down floor, asking for layup, yes. Number 23, number 1, Nashville. Number 28, asking number 29. Number 28, looking for his teammate. Passing the corner to number 14. By number 24 of Nashville, drive, rebound. Good. Number 28. Number 28. Number the ball. It's by number 1. Score is now 3-2 in favor of Georgia. Number 14 drives, good. Number 14.
Oh, that's alright.
Number 14 is between shots. Good. 2 points for number 29 of Georgia. 29. Yeah. Score is 5-4 in favor of Georgia. 12 minutes remaining. This time. Break 3, right in the corner, no good. Oh, there's a foul and 1. Who's foul rep? Number 18. Yeah, number 18.
Di pa nila, ano to, babaguhin.
Yeah. And the bonus 1, they're no good. Number 28.
Thinking, driving, layup, block. Rebound by pass to number 18. Followed by that's a good block. Nice. Ryan layup, good. 2 points, number 9, 2 points for Nashville. Score is 8-5 in favor of the Nashville team. Number 28, will be the ball. Up to number 18, drive, still good, rebound by up to number 14. And bring the ball. Good. Reps, 3 points. Pwede na. Yeah, pwede na. This. Yeah, 3 points. Pwede na. Good, 2 points. Number 24 of Nashville, 2 points. Number 18, thinking shot. No good, rebound by that's to number 22. Number 14. Oh, another 3 points. 3 points by number 1. Nashville, 3 points. Number 28. Driving, penetrating, steal. Out of bounds. Hold on. I'm going to use that. Right, finish it. Come on, get it. So, number 14 out. Number 1 in. To number 28, 3, no good. Rebound by number 24. 24 of Nashville, pass to number 1. 24, rebound, clean-up, good. 24 to 4. Nashville. Score is 15-8 in favor of Nashville. Remaining time, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. First half. Number 1, pass to number 1, drive. Layups, no good. Rebound by Ogun. Pass to number 14. Number 14. Shot, no good. Rebound number 29. Pass to number 28. 28. Pass. Number 29. Spotted the 3. Good! Number 29. 3 points. Yep. Score 15-11. Still, Nashville. This is a do or die game, ladies and gentlemen. Whether it is, and hope for who. Oh, what a turnover. Number 28 drive, good! 28 of Georgia, 2 points. Number 1. Remaining time, 6 minutes. 48 seconds. Only 3 points, no good. Number 28.